Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into something truly fascinating about the Philippines that often gets overlooked. Its incredible linguistic diversity. When you think of the Philippines, what comes to mind? Beautiful beaches, friendly people, delicious food like adobo, and halo, right? But did you know it's also one of the most linguistically diverse countries on the entire planet? It's easy to assume that Filipinos just speak Filipino, which is largely based on Tagalog and English. And while those are the two official languages, they are just the tip of the iceberg. Get this! There are over 180 living languages spoken across the archipelago. That's right, not dialects, but distinct languages. To put that in perspective, that's more languages than are spoken in the entire continent of Europe. It's mind-blowing when you think about it. So, how did this happen? Well, it's all about geography and history. The Philippines is made up of over 7,000 islands. For centuries, communities were relatively isolated from one another by mountains, seas, and dense forests. This isolation allowed their local dialects to evolve independently over time, eventually becoming completely different languages. It's like a massive, real-life game of telephone, but played over hundreds of years. This natural evolution created a rich tapestry of languages, each with its own unique sound, grammar, and vocabulary. Let's talk about some of the major players. Besides Tagalog, you have Cebuano, also known as Bisay, which is spoken by the most people as their native tongue, primarily in the central and southern parts of the country. Then there's Ilocano, spoken widely in the northern region of Luzon. If you travel to the Bicol region, you'll hear Bicolano. In western Visayas, you'll find Hiligaynon or And that's just scratching the surface. We have Waray, Kapampangan, Pangasinan, and so many more. What's really cool is that these aren't just variations of one another. Someone who only speaks Ilocano would have a very hard time understanding someone who only speaks Cebu. The sentence structures, the words for common objects, they can be completely different. For example, the word for dog is aso in Tagalog, ito in Ilonggo, and iom in Kapampangan. The word for what is ano in Tagalog, ba aunsa in Cebu ano, ando anya in Ilocano. This is why many Filipinos are multilingual from a young age, often speaking their local language, plus Filipino and English. They are linguistic acrobats without even realizing it. However, this incredible diversity is also facing a challenge. With the rise of mass media, urbanization, and a standardized education system focusing on Filipino and English, many of the smaller indigenous languages are under threat. The United Nations has even classified dozens of Philippine languages as endangered. When a language disappears, it's not just words that are lost. It's a unique way of seeing the world, a culture's history, its stories, its songs, and its identity. Each language is a treasure chest of human heritage. Thankfully, there are efforts being made to preserve and revitalize these languages. Local communities, linguists, and cultural advocates are working hard to document them, teach them to the younger generations, and promote their use in daily life. There are initiatives to use the mother tongue as the medium of instruction in the first few years of elementary school, which has shown great results. It's a race against time, but it's a worthy one. So, the next time you meet someone from the Philippines, don't just ask them if they speak. Ask them what their local language is. You might be surprised by the answer and learn something new about their unique cultural background. The linguistic landscape of the Philippines is a testament to its vibrant history and the resilience of its diverse peoples. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as interesting as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into culture from around the world. Let me know in the comments if you speak a Philippine language other than Tagalog. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time.